All right, hey, what's up, guys? So it's the weekend, Saturday. Just actually going over some notes. I have a lot I'm trying to put together, trying to plan the week out. What's coming up? Just checking different things and planning. So just some things going through my head. I wanted to really be prepared, and that's 90% of this. 90% of trading. I mean, it's just being prepared. Have your game plan, have your plan of execution, and execute. When it's live, you don't just want to enter into a trade and then try to figure out, oh man, when should I get out? I mean, that's ridiculous. Don't do that. Okay. I wanted to put some examples on the screen of like buy and sells, just kind of what we should be you should be expecting, because I'm hearing that some of you are saying that, hey, I'm gonna follow what you're doing, follow signals, or copy your trade, stuff like that. So I figured I'd put a video out just to give kind of an explanation more on that topic. First of all, some of you have noticed that I'm a swing trader. I'm a swing trader that wish he was more of a position trader. But I just want to let you know that some of the trades that we're going to be doing are going to be basically position trades, because we're going to be holding on to them for more than a few weeks. Okay, depends, right? It depends what happened, but as you see, it can, like, I'm going to be grabbing, just like my little commercial tells you. I'm going to be grabbing more than 1,200. It's going to be like crazy stupid. I mean, as long as the trade is working out, right? I just want to move up my stop loss. Kind of. I do like a manual trailing stop. I don't do like the computer trailing stop. It just seems a little tricky to me, but now you can just kind of move it myself manually, and I can gauge different levels, right? Um, so here's a sell. Well, there's a buy, which didn't take long, right? Here's a buy. Um, should be in about right there, but and then the sell. So this is 1,000 pips and within a month, right? So those things can happen, but not always, because look, you had a sell here, 6, 8 days, it goes 300, but it bounces back hard, right? Then, right, 25 days. But it didn't stop there, it just continued, and then it pulled back, and you're like, oh man, I've been holding this thing since there's only 100 some, you know what I mean? But you would have missed this big drop, right? A few days later, 10 days later, right? So, and that's 1,200, more than 1,200 pips, as I was just trying to explain, right? So we're going to have those positions. It's going to be like position trades. A lot of them are going to be like that, where I'm going to give you a sell, I'm going to give you a buy. You better be in it right away, right? You better have your notifications on, and you better be in it, and then that's it. Okay. Um. So you see, there was another entry opportunity. It was a little lower, but an opportunity nonetheless. Um. Then returned kind of to that level, and then it got steep, and there was another kind of a buy. Yeah, there was a buy there on the daily chart. So the buy there, a nice little, would have got you that. But and here's a long one here. So, but it was a little shorter than this one, but it's still, a few months, right? Right, couple, 2, 3, 3 months, 1,200 pips. So that's what we're going to be going for on these trades. We're going to be going for the long run. We're not going to be, in and out and all that stuff. I mean, I'm sure there are going to be markets where they're going to be kind of in and out, because that's what we got to do. Do what we have to do. But in my mindset, I'm thinking, um, long term, right? So I pulled up explanations like Chat GPT just did this. So I put it here, but it's Chat GPT. Um, Positions, difference between position traders, swing traders. So long term, ranging for several months. So this would be months to years. I don't plan on doing that, but you guys have noticed I'm more of this, right? Few days, several weeks. That's it, right? So, but some of these are going to go into months. So sometimes I'm just letting you know, putting this up so you know that's we may be position trading. Okay, something I'm not saying exclusively, right? But I have to gauge. I have to see what's going on in the market now. I'm swing trader, potential position trader. Like in other words, I would not mind holding on for several months to a year. What I wouldn't. I mean, hey, if it's working out, it's working out, right? That's fine with me. But again, this is about us making the returns. This is about us going several years horizon. I'm not talking about going to millions so fast. I mean, it builds up after a while, but I mean, for the first year or so, you saw the play out. First year, then 2 year, then you pass a million. Then when it goes to the million, it just goes, you know. So it goes boom, go boom, but it goes up. So it just you have to, but we gonna have to be consistent. So again, you're gonna have to be consistently here. You're gonna have to be consistently watching the channels, watching the signals, okay, and you're gonna have to be, having your notifications on. Make sure you're subscribed because we want to be able to maximize our time for the next 4 years. I mean, you have to be. I mean, by 2030, you got to be a multimillionaire, or else you're just gonna be flat broke. Like you're gonna be like dirt poor. I'm just letting you know that the wealth gap is getting larger. I'm saying for America. I can't speak for every country, but the wealth gap is getting larger, and we're just gonna be, you're gonna be sitting on diamonds, or you're gonna be sitting on dirt rocks. So I decide I want to sit on diamonds. So I'm busting tail and I'm using this time, the 2020s, 2020s where it all started, but all the 2021, 22, 23, 24, that's when I've been hitting it hard, getting down my trading skills, like just working on it day and night, day and night, day and night. Like it's at first it was like, addicted to trading, right? But then I turned that passion into something useful rather than just being degenerate traders like most of you are out there. Um, Turn it into a real, real, real skill. And like, yes, I had to take breaks. I took breaks for months. Sometimes you got to step away. Like if it's not working out, you feel bad. You do something else, start another business or something, right? But eventually you'll be able to get your head clear and you'll be able to return and you'll be able to come back. Okay. Watching a little Rogue City. But eventually, you'll be able to come back and you'll be able to, go at it again. So I'm gonna have that there. I'm thinking I might post my portfolio on here. I might do that on Faint Toasted on my FX book. That's me, Faint Toasted. Faint Toasted. So that's me, right? And I'm electrical alarm on Reddit, but Faint Toasted. But yes, so fundamental analysis. We look at sentiment, right? Market swing calculation, the primary reliable technical analysis, right? I do look at a little bit of fundamental. I don't go crazy on fundamentals, but some of them I have been looking at fundamentals. Like with the yen, I've looked at some fundamentals. The reverse on Euro USD, I think I did. I don't know if that's still up there. Was it a reversal on Euro USD? Like a while back, right? Did I erase it? Yeah, I think I took it off. It was like down here or something. Yeah, it was like down here. No, that's 20. What am I talking about? That was over here. Yeah, it was like right here or something. It was one of these reversals that I was watching, for some news, right? And yeah, some of that stuff. I think, and then there's one down over here. Did I erase all? Oh, I got my drawings off. Sorry. So I know I had something, right? It was like it was like, okay. It had reacted to news. It was like went up. It was this one was read mostly on a release. Then this one was year inflation rate. That was something I was just watching, but I mean, I rarely get into that. So yeah, so we're gonna be getting into that this in the coming months. So I would say probably around I'm aiming for August 1st. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna start August 1st, but I'm aiming for August 1st. But no later than August 15th do I want to get started on it. So look for it within that time frame. Okay. You have some time to get ready, get your cash ready, whatever. You put your $100, 200, 500, whatever money you want to put in your account, doing your live account. Okay. And get that, what you call it, rocking. Okay. Get that account rocking. So we're going from $500. So it's low. I mean, it's $500. You see my size and everything. Most of you have enough to put 500, right? An account, maybe $100, but you'll see that my trade size, you kind of move up with me as I grow and trade size and whatnot. So, all right. So I'm really excited. About to get some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.